Start with your artwork and have a high-resolution paper texture ready. Open up your layers and add a layer on top of all the previous ones. Next, go into your actions and insert a file or a photo, depending on where the texture is in your device. I want to use this folded paper texture, and I'll just make sure it fills the whole canvas so there won't be any visible edges of where the texture ends and the original art begins. From here, go into your layers panel and look for the N that is next to the texture layer. This is the blend mode and the N stands for normal. Go ahead and tap this to reveal the different blend modes available. What we're looking for is multiply. These blend modes literally blend your texture with the layers below, and multiply in particular can darken it a little, so what we can do is lower the opacity. Just go with what you feel looks good. I ended up going halfway-ish here. And that's it. I love this folded paper texture. I think it looks like someone just found a folded up flyer in the street and opened it up to reveal this unexpected, bright, positive message. I'll quickly show you this with a different texture too. So I'll just turn off our current layer and then add in this crumpled paper texture. Again, I'll make sure it fills up the entire canvas. And then I'll hop into my layers blend options and change it to multiply. This texture doesn't have much saturation, so it really doesn't darken my work, and because of that, I won't lower the opacity all that much this time. And that's it done. I hope it helps.